Right, so top tip I want to give you guys with regards to these type of ladders, using it on a rooftop tent. I've seen plenty of people going, they hook it up and then they pull it down, all the way down. Now what the problem is with that, this brackets now hang off the side of the rooftop tent, which means that all your weight when you climb up is hanging from these small brackets and not being pushed into the ground, because the bottom part of the ladder is loose. It hasn't clicked in. So the correct way of using this ladder is put it down on the ground, pull up one, until you get to where the height is that you want to use it at, and then put it down. Now when you step on here, all the weight is transferred to the ground and you've got your top part here, so there's no weight hanging from here. So as you climb in, this can now flex and move with the vehicle as the vehicle moves around, instead of hanging directly off the side of the ladder.